Hello there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Miriam. For those that are new here, welcome. On this channel we talk about hair care, health care, skincare, and practically a little bit of everything. So in case you want to watch more of that content, please do subscribe, become part of the family, and hit your notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, hello there my loves, welcome back to another video. You're the reason why I keep doing this. Because of your support we have the strength to keep filming. Okay, so thank you for your continuous support. So let's get straight in today's video.
So for this tutorial, you're going to need 2 onions, a grater, a plate, probably a blender. If you don't have a blender, don't worry about that. There's an alternative. So I'm just going to grate those 2 onions like that. It's up to you. Concerning the size, you can grate them smaller than that or bigger than that, but that's the size that I preferred because it was easy to work with. Remember, always use red onions because these are the best as compared to the white ones. So now that we have our onions grated, we're going to get our blender. So that's the blender I used. If you do not have a blender, you can skip this part. So I just put everything in that little blender and then I blended everything together. I added, I think, a half cup of water and then I blended it. Now what happened was after I finished blending, I poured everything. So yeah, that's the juice. So if you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and just pour the onion and skip the blending part. So after blending and boiling the onion for about 2 minutes, that's what I had. So I'm just going to put everything in a cup and let it cool for some minutes. And I won't really let it get cold because I have low porosity hair and my products work best if they're a little bit warm. So that's the onion juice after everything. At this point it was warm, not really hot, it was just warm. That's the reason why I went ahead and used it. I'm sure you saw that I had put everything in the spray bottle, but then I changed my mind and put it in this applicator bottle because I felt it would work better. So now let's apply this onion juice to our hair. I tried as much as I can to be careful at the beginning and then I realized it wasn't worth it. So yeah, this process is messy and I'd advise that you do it in your bathroom if you can. Otherwise, yeah, it's really messy. And like you can see, the onion kept getting in my eyes and onion and eyes, not a good idea. So yeah, and what I noticed is because the onion juice was warm, it kept running through my head. But actually I felt good because I knew that my hair cuticles were being opened and the onion was getting absorbed in my scalp. So yeah, you can actually use anything you choose. You can either just pour the juice from a cup or you can use a spray bottle, but for me I felt that applicator bottle worked best. So when you're done applying, make sure that you thoroughly massage it in because you do not want any strand being left out on the onion. So in case you want to know the benefits of onion, check the description box because I will add everything there. Check the reason also why I preferred the red onions over the white onions. Be sure to check the description box. I will include everything there, or you can check the comment section. I will just pin a comment there explaining the benefits of onion for hair. So let's get back to the video. So this is me after applying everything. We're just going to get a plastic. Yeah, that's what was remaining after applying everything. I actually used this for my next wash day because yeah. So now just going to go in with a plastic bag and cover everything together to make sure that the onion keeps being absorbed in our hair and in our scalp. So after that, I went in with a cloth around my forehead because I did not want the onion dripping. I actually kept this overnight. It was kind of a pre-poo. So my wash day was the next day. So I kept this in overnight and washed it in the morning. Actually, the following morning before washing, I just went in with okay, this is how I slept before we go to what I used in the morning. So this is how I went to bed. The following morning, I went ahead and used my heating cup before washing my hair because I wanted to make sure that everything was absorbed. So now I washed my hair. I continued with my normal wash day, shampooed, deep conditioned, and everything good. So this is how my hair was looking after shampooing it. So I think that's all for this tutorial. And yeah, so be sure to give this remedy a try because you will not go wrong. And for those trying to grow your eyebrows and your edges, this is the best remedy you can try.
So that's all I do for my hair growth remedy, the onion hair growth remedy. So in case you loved that video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure that you do hit the subscription button and become part of the family. Turn on your notification bell also so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.